how's it going? Michael up here at MarineMax in Summers Point. Today I'm going to be walking through this all-new 2024 Sailfish 276 dual console. Starting here on the back of the boat, this boat's going to be powered by twin 200 horsepower Mercury V6s. These are going to be the Verados, naturally aspirated, power steering, great control, great power on this boat here. Stepping in, you'll notice freshwater washdown, as well as a transom control for the radio, so easy access on the back of the boat. Rinse off that salt water or sand when coming in out of the water. In the back here, great big area for standing, for fishing, great seating arrangements. You have this pull down bench seat, easily stows. You'll notice that backrest did pop up as it pulled out, makes it nice and comfortable underway. Another pull down bench behind you there, as well as a dive door on the port side here, so easy access, helping someone in off the dock or bringing in that big catch of the day. More seating as we move forward. Facing aft, great seats to watch the lines out back or watch kids in the water. This seat on the port side is adjustable, so it can be removed to or lean forward to become a total sun lounger, or find that position that's most comfortable for you. Live well in the back as well for your fishermen. Rounded edges, blue light inside there, nice and easy to grab your bait. On this hardtop above me, you'll notice a great space for PFD storage, as well as plenty of rocket launchers to hold all of the rods and equipment on board. Underneath my feet here is also another large storage locker, so no scarcity of space. You bring on plenty of tackle to get as many fishermen on board as you can handle. Moving forward, I have a large head. Currently have the cushions in there right now, so a little tough to see, but you can get a good idea there of how much space you have, whether you're using it as a head or a great storage compartment. Nice little glove box up here, keep things nice and dry, keys, phones, anything throwable, real quick and easy on board. Up on the helm here, very comfortable, flip up and down bolsters, whether I want to stand and lean or pop it down and sit, very comfortable. All of your rocker switches, twin Garmin screens for your charts, as well as your Mercury vessel view, Fusion stereo unit to control your sound system on board, digital throttle and shift on those twin engines, windlass, and your trim tabs, nice and conveniently located at the front of the throttles there. Moving forward on the boat, underneath this helm, great storage, as well as a designated spot for that table. And notice the stainless steel clip on the back of the boat, as well as in the front of the boat to mount that table. Great for entertaining, maybe having lunch on board. In the bow of this boat, great big seating area. We have the cushions up right now. However, you can see when you're seated, these gunnels are exceptionally high, highest in class for these boats. So very safe, very much in the boat. So if you got kids or anyone sitting up front, you don't have to worry about them taking a couple waves over the front or hitting any waves up front. Everyone's going to be locked in and comfortable on the Sailfish here. Also makes for a great casting platform. So if you do take those cushions off, you got a couple anglers up front. I'm not worried. I'm still over my knee here. I can cast all day comfortably. Great storage under these. This seat will flip up to give you access into that storage compartment underneath the helm from earlier. Designated 5-gallon bucket spot. So you keep your cast net or anything else up there. And then in the front of the boat, you do have a 3-stem windlass. Save your back and save the fights on who is tossing and hauling that anchor. So again, Mike Love here at MarineMax in Summers Point. If you'd like to see this boat, the Sailfish 276 dual console, or any of our other available inventory, love to have you come down, walk you through any of the boats, or answer any questions you have. Give us a call here at 609-926-0600. Thanks, and see you out on the water.